guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, i-demo ko kung paano gamitin itong Nutribullet blender para mag-shake ng Herbalife 24 Reveal Strength at saka itong dragon fruit. So mag-shake tayo guys. So kailangan natin ng water. So 240 ml of water is equivalent to 2 scoop of this Herbalife 24 Reveal chocolate powder, and then 1 scoop of this Formula 1 Sport. Ito yung pinaka-protein powder ng Herbalife. Okay guys, so let us now start. Okay, so all you have to do is to have this 240 ml of water. So pwede ring yung soya beans na mga milk powder or yung tawag nito, basta anything na liquid milk pwede ring na ihalo instead of water. So now we will have it with Reveal Strength. So 2 scoop siya. Ang flavor nito is chocolate. Okay, so 2 scoop. Okay, 1. Two. Yan. So, ito yung kanyang pinaka-chocolate. Okay. So, ililipat natin dito, guys. Yan. Okay. Haluan natin ng protein powder. Okay, 1 scoop lang siya. Ayan, guys. Okay. And then, haluan natin ng dragon fruit para maging malagdagan ang nutritional value niya. Okay, so ito ang i-shake natin with the dragon fruit. Yummy! Masarap. Very nutritious itong dragon fruit. Ayan. Okay. So, next is ilalagay natin siya dito sa blender. Ayan. Ayun, tatakpan. Ano na pala muna natin. Takpan natin siya. Yan guys. Takpan natin. Yan. And then, dapat, mahigpit siya. Ganyan. Tapos, ilagay natin dyan. Ayan. So, ready na siya to blend. Okay, so, ito siya guys. Ilalagay na natin. Okay. So, ganito pala siya. Ididiin pala. Oh, amazing. Ganyan pala siya. Ganda. Gandang Nutribullet. Okay na siguro yan. Okay, so yan na guys.